girl. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button because it's lit over here. I promise you, you don't want to miss any future upcoming videos. But today we are working with Beauty Forever Hair, and they sent me over this completely glueless wig. It came pre-cut and also had baby hairs on it. What? I didn't have to pull out any baby hair, cut any baby hair, anything. Like you will see in the video, this was a real quick and easy install, so this will be a short video. The only thing I did extra was this style. I wanted to do something cute and playful, but I do show how it would look if you were to wear it just straight out the pack, not knowing much about hair or how to do hair. Quick, easy, ready to go. I promise you, before we get into that install, go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe. It would truly help me out. And yeah, let's jump into the install. I want to apologize for that previous clip. One of the girls was trying to pop out. I don't know if that was Ariel or Arilla, but they always trying to be outside. If you know, you know. But to start out, I pulled out my edges and I went in with my hairspray just to lay them, since this is a closure wig. And now we're just putting her on. Okay, so this is the purpose of me pulling out my edges. This is an optional step. You do not have to do this. You can just put it on. But this is her straight out the pack. And as you can see, it's not much work that is needed. You can get away with just putting some makeup on and blend that lace in and combing out the baby hairs, and you really can just go. It's not a lot of work that is required to install this wig. So it's very beginner friendly, ready, get up and go type of vibe. So this is another extra step. It's not required, but I do want my wig to be flat and laid. Honey, we still want that wig to be flat and laid, so I am going to go in with the hot comb. But yeah, this is it, honey. We didn't do much work at all, but we're going to get into how it looks when you wet it and define it and apply some mousse and see how those curls activate. Running my fingers through this wig, I didn't get much shedding at all. I'm going to show you the amount of shedding that I got, but it was really good as far as the shedding. Now we're to the fun and playful part of the video. We're finna give very much butterfly princess. When I was thinking about what look I wanted to do, I knew for sure I didn't want to do the basic middle part, curly hair, wavy hair. We see that all the time. So I thought about doing this butterfly braid and adding some cute butterflies to it. And the blue was just, it just gave the whole vibe that I was picturing, and I love the outcome of this look. So for the butterfly braid, you just want to pull it apart and make it real nice and messy. Baby, this was a workout. Like, I felt like I had did a whole arm day routine at the gym after pulling out this braid. And I'm the girl that skips arm day because, baby, my arms get muscular real fast. I am so silly, oh my God. But yeah, once you pull it apart and get it how you want it, then you can go to the fun part and add the butterflies. I purchased these butterflies from Amazon, and they will be listed down below in my Amazon storefront. These will be so perfect for like if you have a birthday or a pregnancy photo shoot coming up. So I will list them down below if you are interested. I'm so in love with how this look came out. I feel like a butterfly Barbie doll. If y'all like this look, comment down below. Let me see some blue hearts in the comment. Make sure you like this video and subscribe. Check the description box down below for all the details on this wig. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.